A cryptic warning from a man posing as cruise magnate Daniel Creedon hints at an imminent terror attack, though the target ship and timing remain unknown. When the real Creedon is finally reached, alarm bells ring across all agencies. Meanwhile, CSCI agent Bedriska is murdered, drawing the FBI into the fray and escalating the stakes. As CSCI agent Ronnie Cohen clashes with the FBI liaison Ted Cronkite, the team races to unravel the plot before holidaymakers become victims of a devastating attack. The team zeroes in on Christmas Day as the potential attack date. Suspicion falls on a student house, but a raid yields nothing. While FBI pressure mounts, tension threatens to unravel the team. Agents Prisha and Kroc orchestrate a shipboard wedding as cover for surveillance. But it's real to them. The team reels as 3 of their own trainees at CSCI are unmasked as embedded terrorists. Trust fractures. They board the ship. In the Dominican Republic, Russian agent Dolinsky is assassinated days before Christmas. Proof the operation is bigger than anyone feared. With the clock ticking towards Christmas Day, the team hijacks a pilot tender to secretly board the cruise ship they'd missed. But this is no safe haven. The real ambush lies ahead. It's already in motion. Aboard the wedding cruise, the horrifying truth emerges. Terror attacks are planned across multiple ships. The CSCI team thwarts them all. The perpetrators, radicalized eco-activists manipulated by Russian operatives. But survival turns personal. Kieran Phillips finds his name on a chilling Russian kill list. Billy persuades Kieran that the fight is far from over. They must take the fight away from Miami and head to Russia. Ronnie, a former sleeper agent with deep Russian ties, is crucial, but she refuses to return. Desperate, Kieran recruits a soul band as covert cover to reopen the Baltic cruise route and infiltrate Russia. When the band's saxophonist overdoses, the mission nearly falls apart. Ronnie vanishes without a trace. The team must shepherd the soul band through Miami, Latvia, Rostock in Germany. Helsinki is just the move from the dock to the main town and then onto the Tallinn ferry. Tallinn and to Narva, building media buzz to mask their covert passage. But the final obstacle looms, the heavily guarded, tension-filled border with Russia. Denied legal entry, Kieran and Billy are forced into the shadows, turning to a rogue militia led by Stefan, Ronnie's presumed dead husband, who has a star in Langley. Once an ally, now a merciless opportunist. Stefan offers a chilling alternative. Don't kill Istov, expose him. Stefan wants to use him as bait to lure Putin and implode the Russian chain of command from within. As loyalties fracture and moral costs skyrocket, Kieran and Billy must gamble everything. Is exposure more dangerous than execution? And who really controls the board? Putin takes the bait, but the expected assassination helicopter is a decoy. Amid the chaos, Kieran evacuates the soul band to Narva Castle for the final defiant concert, where locals dance across the forbidden border, the Freedom Bridge. The ultimate revelation. It wasn't about assassination. The answers are in the unexpected. The full pitch deck in various formats for this high-end television series is on the link shown above and on screen.